Hey, I'm Justin.
And I'm Scott.
And guess what?
We living for love.
Life lovers, look at this place. We are here in the Parlor Suite at the Wynn in Las Vegas. Now let me tell you, for those who have known me, Wynn, I'm pretty obsessed. I'm obsessed with the branding. I'm obsessed with the vision.
He watches videos of Wynn, like just describing the hotel, walking us through the hotel.
Yeah, so it's a true gift to be here right now. And so far, is living up to all of what I preached, because I did set the bar kind of high.
Yeah, he absolutely did. I was expecting this place to have trumpet and fanfare, and yeah, it's not far off.
Yeah, yeah. Hello, life lovers. Come on in to the palace, the palaces of the palaces of Las Vegas. So yes, we have the Parlor Suite here at the Wynn, and I'm gonna show you around, okay? When you come in the door, you have a bathroom right here, and it's more of like a powder room. So just a sink and a commode. Do they say commode anymore these days?
No.
Okay. Then you have this amazing foyer. Beautiful mirror, huge mirror. And then on this side, you have an actual wet bar. Items for sale. Look at that. Isn't that awesome?
And it will remain sealed.
It shall remain sealed. Then you have just storage.
An undersink.
And look at that. Look at that fridge. Isn't that huge? That fridge is huge.
Huge.
Huge. It's huge.
I love me some separated living and bedroom spaces. And this is a true separation. They're separate rooms and they are huge and amazing. And I just love this layout.
Bougie.
Little bit.
Yeah, and guess what? It works, especially in this one. So, you enter in and look at this living room, everyone. Now this is a living room. Ceilings, high ceilings, everything's bright, everything smells good. Like I said, the Palace of Palaces in Las Vegas. I want to talk about the colors in this room. It's one of my favorite things to have the creams, the light browns, the tans, and they're all working together. That view, that's a pro. That's a really, really nice view.
Kind of depends on what you're looking for though.
Exactly.
So this view of the golf course, we can also see the waterfall, the pool. Very relaxing.
Yes.
Very, very relaxing, and I love it. But if you're kind of more into the hikey or want to see a view of the strip, that's not what we have, at least. In fact, I think the building kind of curves away from that. I definitely appreciate that they've kind of come up on their smart features. This is one of the only hotels that I've seen that's brought in Alexa. She's gonna go off now.
Good.
She didn't. She's learning.
She tried it.
She tried it. She lit up and like, I'm listening. But yeah, it's a really cool feature, and I'm glad that they brought that in.
Yes, I am too.
But on the other side of that, Some of the other smart room features feel dated. There's the pad over here and next to the bed that have like supposedly temperature controls, but I couldn't get them to work. It feels very 2006-ish.
Yeah, which is about right because this was a 2005 build.
Oh, yeah, well, there you go.
So you hit it on the map. And this is indeed where the magic happens. Look at this. Once again, a great room. Huge, huge. It's an amazing room. Look at this plush bed. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get on this tonight. And that headboard. Oh my gosh, to die for. I love the colors in this room. Now this is
a great room.
A great room.
The bathroom.
Yes.
Oh my God, the bathrooms.
Yes, the bathrooms.
So there's a powder room and it's just a standard powder room, but it's nice to have an extra bathroom, for sure. But the bathroom off of the bedroom is
huge.
Walk-in closet over there.
Walk-in closet. You have the water closet, water room. Look at this tub, the shower.
Separated the entire room across, separated double vanities.
Yep.
And they also have a, oh, what is that? I guess that's a vanity as well.
Yeah, like for the makeup, for your makeup or for your skincare, for my skincare.
Exactly, and it has like its own seat and oh, it's amazing.
Well, if you have like a 15-step skincare routine.
You get tired.
Yeah, you have to sit. Justin's pressing thoughts. Justin pressing thoughts. Hey y'all! Welcome to Justin's Pressing Thoughts. Just want to let you know what brand this iron is. It is a Sunbeam.
One of the three.
We still have not reached a fourth brand. It's Conair, Sunbeam, and Hamilton Beach. So anyway, it's a nice iron. At first I thought it leaked too much, but what it was I filled it way over the max fill line. So, but look at this LED headlight. You know, so in case you want to avoid a button, there's a headlight. Beep,
wow.
Beep, beep.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Just in case you have terrible lighting in your house.
Yeah, so you know what? Wynn did, when they go above and beyond on their irons too. They have a headlight. So anyway, that concludes my pressing thoughts. See you next time. Probably the only other con in this room is the couch we're sitting on. So yes, now it is a cream white colored couch. So naturally it's going to show its wear
pretty quickly.
And this one looks like it was the original couch from 2005. Yeah. And for it to be more of kind of like a centerpiece, focal point of the room, you would think that they'd have updated a long time ago.
Yeah, that's definitely true.
But this couch feels so good, gosh. And the material feels very, plush and rich. Just that old money. So there you have it, folks. This is what Wynn gives you. And let me tell you, the A+ so far. So anyway, if you're liking this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that notification bell so you are aware of all our future events.
Ding dong.
Thank you. And follow us on Instagram at We Livin' for Love. Thanks.
See you next time.
Bye.
Yeah.
What the fuck was that?
Art.